class 1 English grammar. Okay, so previous day we have learned what? Vowels and consonant. I think it is clear. Vowels and consonant. Let's revise once more. Previous day what we have done? Vowels and consonant. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the remaining are all consonant. Okay. Now before vowels, what do you write? We write a before vowel, and before consonant we write an. Now see, naming words beginning with a consonant sound, we write a before that. Naming words beginning with a consonant sound, we write a before that. And naming words beginning with a vowel sound, we write an before that. What are vowels and when do you write a and an? So naming words beginning with a consonant sound, we write a before that. Naming ones beginning with a vowel sound, we write an before that. So this one we have learnt in the previous class. We have done this an, all consonant and all vowels. This one also we have done. This one also we have done last day. A tree, a bird, a mango, a monkey, a boy. Why? See the picture. We have done this one. Because all these are consonant sound. See, consonant is here. T, B, M, M, B. These are all consonants. So before consonant we are writing a. Clear? This also we have done previous day. See, umbrella, old man, apple, egg, orange. These are all vowel sound. So before that what are you writing? Before vowel and. See, and old man, and egg, and apple, and orange, and umbrella. Clear? And this one you will do. This was your homework. You will write a or an. Before the vowel sound you will write an. Before the consonant sound you will write. This one you will do. You will do by yourself. This was your homework. So I think this can you do. You can do this one very well. This was your homework. So clear? Once more I'll see. An actor. A is what? A is a vowel. So an. Bicycle. B is consonant. So A. Banana. B is consonant. So A. Artist. A is consonant. So an. Orange. O is vowel. So an. Mango. M is consonant. So a. Clear? So what are vowels? Let's revise once. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the remaining are consonant. This is one thing. And the next thing is we write a before the consonant sound words and we write an before the vowel sound words. These two. We write a before the consonant sound words and we write an before the vowel sound words. Clear? So this we have done. This we have done. Now let's do the next page today. So today we will do page number 14. So write the date 28 4. Page number 14. We are doing page number. Okay. Same here. Now see. What is this? Say these naming words aloud. Now let's say this all. Iron, onion, snake, parrot, ice cream, horse, arrow, basket, elephant, alarm clock. Now which is iron? See iron. This is iron. Onion. This is onion. Arrow. This is arrow. Parrot. This is parrot. Ice cream. This is ice cream. Horse. This is horse. Arrow. Arrow. Basket. This is basket. Elephant. This is elephant. Alarm clock. This is alarm clock. Clear? Now let's try this one. Now write what you see in each picture. I will write a sentence writing a and an before the pictures. Now see. What we see, we'll write the pictures. Now see. One is done for us. This is iron. This is what? This is iron. See the sentence. This is an iron. Why an? Because I is vowel sound. I is what? I is vowel sound. So iron, an iron. What is this? Onion. So what we'll write? O is what? O is vowel sound. So we'll write this is vowel sound. So an onion. Clear? Since it is vowel sound, so we're writing an onion. Same. What is this? Arrow. So this will write. This is, now tell me what will be a or an. It will be a or an. Arrow. Arrow is which sound? Arrow is vowel sound. So an arrow. Clear? Now next is what? This is parrot. Parrot is what? Vowel sound or consonant sound? P. Consonant sound. Very good. Now you will write here. This is a parrot. Clear? This is snake, horse, basket, elephant, alarm clock, ice cream. This you will do by yourself. This you will do by yourself. Clear? The rest you will do by yourself. You will do by yourself this one. Okay? This one you will do by yourself. This one will be homework. See, I have done half. 1, 2, 3, 4 I have done. 3 I have done. I have shown the examples. And same here. Vowel sound and consonant sound you will put a before the pictures, and words are all given here. Clear? Okay? It's very easy. You understand the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. These are vowels, and before the vowels we write an, and before these are all consonants. Before the consonants we write a. This is the only thing. If you understand this, that means it is clear to you. I think it is very easy and it is clear also. If you understand, you can do all this. This also you can do. This also you can do. It's very easy. Clear? For today, this much. Thank you.